Silent habits or moving in silence is when you keep your goals or plans personal and private. Good morning. When you want to focus on your vision of better without others weighing in and trying to influence you. These silent habits let you maintain your privacy but still have an outside motivation. Let me share a gentle secret with you: how to move in silence and achieve results. Here we have a simple glass jar and another vessel filled with glass stones, patiently waiting on your countertop, just brimming with potential. Now, let's sprinkle a touch of mindfulness into your days, one glass stone at a time. Every morning, as the sun gently kisses the world awake, you reach for that jar. A jar not of obligations, but of intentions. In your hand, a smooth, cool glass stone, like a tiny universe waiting to unfold. This is your commitment, your pact with yourself, to embrace a positive habit that will improve your life. For me, it's a gentle yoga stretching in the morning. On a small piece of paper, you sketch your intention with a word, a symbol, just some sort of representation. I sketch a little stick figure in a yoga pose symbolizing the habit I will be tracking. As you drop that first stone into the jar, hear it sing a soft melody, the song of a promise made. It's not just a stone, it's a beacon, a reminder that today, amidst life's hustle, you'll carve out a sacred space for yourself. Days roll by, stones accumulate like a mosaic of dedication. Each one is a testament to your journey, a tangible echo of your commitment. Notice the weight of the stones, not as a burden, but as a measure of the strength you're cultivating within. As you drop that final stone for the week or the month, bask in the glow of accomplishment. Your jar, once empty, is now filled with the essence of your commitment. You've not just tracked a habit, you've woven a tapestry of mindfulness and self-love. This journey is not about perfection, it's about progress, about showing up for yourself with an open heart. Resetting your silent habit tracker is as easy as transferring the stones from the glass jar back into the metal vessel. Some days might be tough. Life throws its curveballs and time feels like it slips through your fingers, but fear not. The jar stands resilient, patiently waiting for you, a sanctuary of calm in the midst of chaos. And when you find yourself in a moment of weakness where you consider skipping that good habit, pick up a stone, hold it in your hand, feel the cool weight, each one a small victory, a celebration of your dedication to self-love and well-being. Let it give you the push you need to stay consistent. So my fellow travelers on this path of self-discovery, let the ritual of dropping a glass stone be your anchor. Embrace the joy of a continued practice, knowing that with every stone, you're building a sanctuary within, a temple of strength that no external storm can shake. Namaste, dear friends. May your journey be as beautiful as the stones in your jar.